Introducing the 2005 Porsche Boxster. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, leather steering wheel, rear spoiler. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.